Why Ballast Point Long Beach? Just come and see, and you're gonna tell me why and how. So it's like, a 5-star, if not more, experience. With that nice, Ballast Point beer.
So here at Ballast Point, our goal is to bring in as much variety as possible. We're a big location, a very popular spot, so it's important for us to have something for everybody. A lot of the stuff that we have on the menu now is stuff that I enjoy eating when I'm having a beer. Like the birria tacos was one of the favorite things that my mom would cook, and I would just love eating. So one of those things is one thing that I love having here on the menu. The guests love it, the staff loves it. So things like that also coming from my background. But we have our steak nachos where we use a certified Angus beef. Our classic Ballast Point burger. It's our best seller. It's 100% Wagyu beef patty that we're really proud to serve here at a restaurant.
I consider Long Beach my second home. The hearts are there, the creativity is there, the personality is there, everything is there, and that's what I'm looking for every single time. So Long Beach is the place to be.